How to change Gemini voice on Google application. Hello everyone, this is Max. Welcome back to another tutorial video. So let's start without wasting any time. Also make sure to watch this video till the end. First of all, make sure your device has a stable internet connection. Then open up Google application on your device. Open up your app drawer and find Google. Simply tap on it. Now at the top right corner, tap on the user icon. Now a drop down menu will appear. Now find settings and simply tap on it. Now on this menu page, find Gemini. If you don't find Gemini, tap on the search bar and type Gemini. Now click on search. Now click on Gemini. Now on this page you will find an option for Gemini's voice. Simply tap on it.
I'm another voice in the mix, ready to talk whenever you are.
Now select the voice you want to add. Now swipe through the voices. Now once you're done, simply go back. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Make sure to subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon. See you in the next video.